What's good, everybody? We got V, Bing Crosby, White Christmas, which I'm like, oh my God, this collab right here. I'm guessing the team at Bing Crosby and V agreed to do re-rendition, not re-rendition, just like another White Christmas. I don't know. Is this gonna be a re-rendition? I'm not sure. Does it say in the comments? Now I've seen like, let's see, since the release of 1942's White Christmas has become timeless holiday classic by generations. Revives one of the best-selling singles. Okay. And I think that's a great move because V's voice, I always thought it would be like on some Bing Crosby-ish, bro. Like his jazz, ooh, just jazzy, blues type of vibe. But White Christmas is definitely one of my favorite Christmas songs too. It just... See, I didn't say anything, but I know the melody. But I heard this one's sad. Everybody in my all my friends, they be watching this and they be crying, and I think I know why. Rest in peace, Yantan. And let's just start this. Let's just start this. All right. Oh, in all cartoon form. Off the bat. Oh, this is too soon. He disappeared? Oh, bro, I'm already no way. Oh. Forever immortalized Yamtan. And with Bing Crosby? The deep voices. Oh, is that a snow dog? Snow.
With every Christmas card I write.
Oh my God.
May your days be merry and bright.
Wow.
And may all your Christmases
a little happier. Did you get a book or? A star. A star. Okay. Getting that sing on. Getting that sing on.
I'm dreaming
Of a white
Christmas.
Sorry if I'm singing. We're in the holiday spirit, even though it is sad at the same time and happy. So many emotions.
May your day
Aww.
be merry and bright.
Wow.
And may all
Oh, yeah. What the Christmas hat?
Christmases be white.
Oh my God, so much bass in that voice. Oh, it's literally dedicated. Dang. So Bing Crosby and wow. Oh my God, like I'm a mess. Off the bat, they just hit me to the core. It is too soon, bro. Like, there's one thing that can get me like tearing up and like emotional. It's like just the dog and cat, all the pets in the world, any animal. Yes, I'm that type of guy that will like mostly cry like 10 out of 10 because of an animal's like passing. Like, oh my God, rest in peace. But great. Their voices were very bassy and matched well. I mean, at some point I was like, oh my God, I forgot it was a V and Bing Crosby collab. But I was like, oh yeah, it reminded me. V's voice is pretty distinct from Bing Crosby as well, even though it might be like super. They're both kind of bassy in a way. like very deep voice, like I'm dreaming, like that type of vibe. Don't follow me, but yeah, it was nice. I mean, I already liked the song, so it was just a rendition by adding V from BTS. It's even better. So kind of crazy, the crossovers in this multi-universe that we're living in. All right, put the comments down below what you guys think. Can I get like a R.I.P. Yuntan in the chat, in the comments down below, please? But yeah, hope you guys have a great holiday. Hope you spend times with friends and family, and if you don't, that just know that you're not alone. And I'll either see you on Twitch, so we can hang out and have a great holiday together. Yeah, this is your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. Even if a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.